Welcome. If you want to change video resolution on the Amazon Fire TV stick, at first you have to go right here for the right bottom corner on the settings. Next, we have to go for the display and the sounds. And right now you have to go for display. Pick video resolution. Currently is set up on the auto, so it used the optimal resolution for our TV, but you can change it. You can pick the exact resolution, so you can go for the 720 or Full HD. I'm gonna pick the Full HD 60 Hz. You have to confirm, and that's all. After that you can just simply go back, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.